Greetings to those watching.
We are Aysen
And Cune,
and today we and our friends are going to tell you about
Children of Asia Games.
19 boys and 15 girls are competing for the chess crown. The tournament features the 4 VIII Masters, 3 of whom are currently leading the standings. There are no spectators in the tournament hall, but a huge number of strategic game enthusiasts worldwide are following the matches. The live broadcast comes directly from the chessboard, which simultaneously shows the players' game time. Winning each round significantly impacts a player's standing in the table, while each loss greatly reduces their chances of overall victory in the tournament, as it follows the Swiss system.
The final competition in rhythmic gymnastics for individual events was held at the Dachshund Sport Complex. The athletes showed amazing skills and impressed a tough panel of judges. The most intense competition was among the teams from Russia. A young gymnast from Moscow faced strong competition from Belarus. However, the standout athlete of the year was from Kazakhstan's team. The team from Yakutsk won gold in group exercises with hoops. This made the Yakutian gymnasts champions for the first time in the history of the Children of Asia Games. About 80 young gymnasts performed impressive routines. Over 3 days, they competed in both individual and team events.
The Art of Strategy. The Go tournament in Yakutsk debuts at the Children of Asia Games. This ancient Eastern game has captivated in world. The tournament features 6 teams representing the Far Eastern, Ural, and Siberian federal districts, a team from Moscow, and 2 teams from Yakutia. Each team consists of 4 players. The team with the highest score wins. Typically, games can last several days, with an average game taking about an hour. Participants have completed the team competitions, leaving the pair tournaments and individual masterclasses to be contested.
In addition to competitive tournaments, participants of the games enjoy a rich cultural entertainment program. At the athletes' village, where the delegation guests are staying, a folk day was organized. The evening was dedicated to Yakut instrumental art and folklore. Folk artists from Yakutia conducted master classes on playing traditional drums and the ancient national instrument, the khamus. The event was not only an introduction to the culture of Saha people, but also an opportunity for guests to share their own cultures. Athletes from Mongolia showcased their national dance, while representatives from Palestine performed a traditional circle dance.
The Yakutsk International Ethnic Film Festival, held as a part of the 8th Children of Asia Games, is said to be a significant event in the cultural program of this grand sporting celebration. It will not only showcase the best examples of Asian cinema to the world, but also introduce foreign guests to the unique culture of Yakutia. The red carpet was graced with an impressive array of talent and parade of renowned directors, actors, producers, screenwriters, and cinematographers. Beloved actors and film figures from Yakutia were met with cheers from the audience. After a 4-year break due to the pandemic, the festival has resumed, making this edition particularly special. Submissions for the film festival came from countries such as India, Mongolia, China, Serbia, Kazakhstan, and others. Out of 280 entries, only 9 works were selected.
It's all for today.
And make sure not to miss our next diary.